What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your FaceTime in here not working on your iPhone. This is a very common issue that happens here on iPhone devices. You might be stuck on waiting for activation, or simply you're trying to call but you're unable to actually call somebody or receive calls through your FaceTime. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comment section down below if you do have any doubts or any questions so we can discuss further. Now, jumping straight into the very first step in here that you need to perform, you need to hop into settings real quick. So once you're here under settings, you want to scroll down all the way to apps down here. You want to tap on apps real quick, and then you want to scroll down and search for FaceTime, which is located here under the letter F. You want to tap on FaceTime to open FaceTime settings. Now, if you're unable to find the apps down here, you can simply search it here at the top for FaceTime and you'll be brought to that same page over there. There we go, FaceTime apps. Tap once on it, and then here we go, we're now under FaceTime settings. Over here, we want to make sure we scroll down, and then you want to make sure that FaceTime is toggled on in here. This is so important. Okay, you want to make sure that it's turned on. If it was turned off, turn it on and then restart your phone and see if it's fixed. If it was already turned on, simply turn it off real quick and then turn it back on and wait for a couple seconds. Let your phone do its thing. Now, if it doesn't show here the numbers, simply go back and then simply open up FaceTime once again. There we go. Scroll down once again and you'll be able to see all these numbers or email accounts linked to your device from where you want to be reached from, right? For example, here you can be reached by FaceTime at, so you want to make sure you turn all these numbers because there might be an issue with one of them or one email. So you want to make sure you turn on all of them to see if it's working or not. Next up, we do have the caller ID down here that you want to make sure that you change. For example, you might be using a phone number, but I would recommend you guys to try changing it to an email because there might be a problem with your phone number or something like that, just to double check and troubleshoot it properly. Now, if this didn't help fixing the problem that you've got, we're moving into the next step where we're going to perform a forced restart here on our iPhone device. Now, a forced restart pretty much reboots your iPhone from scratch as if it was in a deep sleep. It's good because it helps calibrating after you've changed a few settings on your phone. I would also recommend you guys to perform a forced restart once in a while every 15 days just to ensure that your performance on your iPhone works pretty well. So over here, if you have an iPhone 8 or later models, for example, an iPhone X, 11 all the way to iPhone 17. In my case, I've got an iPhone 16 Pro. What you're gonna do is simply rapidly tap on volume up and then rapidly volume down and then press and hold the power button. This is how it goes. Up, down, pressing and holding the power button. Please note that right now I'm only pressing the power button and I'm not pressing nothing in here on my left side. Just wait for a couple seconds, your phone will start rebooting real quick, and once you see the Apple logo here on your screen, you're gonna release the power button and let it go. Let your iPhone turn on normally. Now, what will this do? This will actually cut all the power that was being sent from your battery to your motherboard and make sure it turns on again from scratch. It's something that helps out fixing a lot of settings. Now, if you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, in order to perform a forced restart, all you need to do is simply press and hold the volume down on the left side along with the power button on the right. Press and hold both of them until you see the Apple logo. Once you see it, release the buttons combination. Now, if you do have an iPhone 6 or an iPhone 5 with a physical home button down here, all you need to do is simply press and hold the power button along with the physical home button in here. Press and hold both of the keys combination until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Once you see the Apple logo, you're gonna release the keys combination real quick. Now, please note that if you have a much older iPhone device, such as an iPhone 5 or an iPhone 4, the power button is located here at the top. So in order to perform this, you'll have to press the power button at the top and hold along with the physical home button until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're going to release the keys combination. Now, if none of these steps help fixing the problem, we're moving into the next step where we're going to perform a network reset here on our iPhone device. In order to perform a network reset, we're going to hop into settings real quick. We're going to scroll down, tap on general, and then scroll down all the way to transfer or reset iPhone. Over here, we're going to tap on reset, and then we want to make sure that we tap on reset network settings. So basically what it does, it's gonna perform a reset of all your network settings or the connectivity part of your phone. This helps a lot because in most cases, this issue of FaceTime not connecting is usually related to your internet connection. So you want to double check that you perform a network reset, and do not worry because you will not lose any data or anything like that. This will only help you actually recalibrating all the network connectivity settings and make sure that it's set to default as if it was brand new. Now, if this didn't help fixing the problem, I would recommend you guys checking for updates on your phone. Hop into settings, tap on general real quick, and then down here simply tap on software update and see if you do not have any pending software that needs to be performed or updated. You might be in a situation where you do have a very recently launched software update which has came with bugs or glitches, so it's important to check if there is an update to actually correct or fix those bugs here under software update. Trust me, this works a lot. Sounds so simple, but sometimes it really makes a lot of difference. Next up, simply open up FaceTime to see if it's sorted out. If it still keeps on pending, just perform a quick last restart on your iPhone to see after you've done all these settings to see if the problem is fixed. If the problem still persists, I'm sorry, but this might be a much complicated situation and I would recommend you guys to approach a service center. But I strongly believe that this should help you fixing the problem. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq till the end, and if you have any questions or doubts, kindly let me know in the comment section down below so we can discuss further. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.